Hi, I'm Estephany Salas and I'm going to be making shrimp patties for you today. The ingredients I'll be using is eggs, mixed vegetables, shrimp, flour, baking powder, salt, garlic powder, black pepper, and carnation milk. We're going to start by combining all the wet ingredients. So we do the shrimp first, the mixed vegetables, 3 eggs, so we combine all the wet ingredients, and then now we do our dry ingredients. For every pound of shrimp, we use 3 cups of flour. So we use half a teaspoon for the garlic powder, salt, the black pepper, and baking powder. So after all your ingredients are well mixed, it's not too watery, not too dry. There's no flour separated from the wet ingredients. See the vegetables and the shrimp. Okay, we have heated oil here. And the way I test to see if the oil, we have medium to high heat. 1/4 cup of the batter. Make sure you have enough shrimp and vegetables in there. And you want to pour it all in the oil in one spot. See how it's like brown on the side right here? Now you can flip them. Okay, I'm going to flip it one more time to make it evenly on each side. And after a minute or two, they should be done. Now they're ready to be taken out the oil. Use a strainer to put the cooked shrimp patties in, so we can strain out all the excess oil. And that's about it. You have shrimp patties.